In this video, I am going to give you the simplest, most straightforward path to get started with affiliate marketing in 2023. This is going to be for beginners, people that want to add a new revenue stream. Anybody can do this. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn this super simple approach. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, guys, don't forget my January giveaway has already begun. Watch this video to learn the details. In short, comment on my YouTube videos, comment on my Facebook group, as well as my TikTok for a chance to win. But make sure you check out that video to learn exactly what you need to do. All right, so as I mentioned, what I want to do in this video is I want to give you the most basic, straightforward, simplest path to get up and running. We are going to cover content ideas. We're going to cover everything that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. And this is going to work regardless of where you live. This is going to work if you are on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagram, wherever your traffic of choice is, this will work. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to think of a product. Now, what I like to do is I like to tell people to look at their recent products because you recently purchased these. All right. So I'm over here on Amazon.com and I'm looking through recent orders. You can see there are tons of different things that you could take a look at. All right. So let's assume you're going to use Amazon, but you could do this with Bluehost or Best Buy or whatever it is. Okay. We're going to use Amazon. You're going to go to this website, affiliate-program.amazon.com, and you're simply going to sign up. You're going to click the sign up button. It's going to ask you for a YouTube channel, a website, or an app. If you have a YouTube channel, you can just simply put that in. I recommend that you also start a blog or at least a landing page to collect emails, but that's a different story for a different day. So once you have this set up, it's going to take you about 15, 20 minutes. You are simply going to come back over here and you're going to look at different products. Now, what I've done is I've actually highlighted 4 products. One is this keyboard, okay? The second one here is iPhone charger. Again, this is gonna work for literally anything. The third one are Legos. And the fourth one here is a monitor. I purchased these things. You don't have to purchase the product, but it's a little bit easier if you do, all right? Step 2, I think this is. What you're going to do is you are going to create content about the products that you have purchased. Now, hang on with me because I'm going to tell you exactly the type of products that you need to create, why this works so well. What you're going to do is, in addition to doing reviews, unboxings, tutorials, first impressions, you're also going to create content about the questions that people are already asking. So if we look here on Amazon, there's 191 questions that have already been answered. If we take a look at this, you can see that people are asking questions because they want to buy this product. Now, the reason why this works, and I'll elaborate a little bit more on what you're going to do. The reason why this works is what we're going to do is we are going to build a content hub around this product. And so anytime someone comes to YouTube or TikTok to learn about the product, they're going to see multiple videos of yours. What most people do is they'll copy the name of the product like this, and they'll paste it right over into YouTube. They'll paste it right over to YouTube like this. And as you can see, people are asking all sorts of questions. So what we're doing here is we're building what's called a content hub. Anytime someone types in the name of the product, and they might even just copy this like this as well. Anytime someone types in the name of the product, it's a very good chance that your name is going to pop up. All right. So you're creating, and there's a few layers to this. You're creating a content hub, and you're going to be seen as an expert in the industry. You're going to be seen as an expert in the tech space, in the computer to monitor space. And once you build enough momentum, you can niche up or niche out and create content on other products. So what I recommend that you do is find 2 or 3 products that are within the same niche. You're going to come over to Amazon and you're going to look at all of these different questions. And the cool thing about this is that the questions are already answered. You want to do this, okay? You create a content hub where people are seeing your name pop up again and again and again for products within a niche. They're going to want to follow you. They're going to want to learn more about you. You're going to earn affiliate commissions. Now, the first question here is the monitor compatible with a monitor stand? What I would do is I would come up to the top here, grab the name of the product that the manufacturer calls it, and then I would title my product if I was doing a YouTube video, I would title it compatible monitor stands with a question mark. And then you create a video. You can see their answers here where you simply answer the question. The video can be 4 minutes long. It can be 5 minutes long. But the key is, and the reason why I like this idea for you is a lot of new affiliates struggle with content. They don't know the content. They don't know what to say. They don't know how to get started. This is going to allow you to build confidence in creating unique original content. This is going to allow you to answer questions that people are already asking. And this is going to allow you to gain traction and earn affiliate commissions in this space. Okay. And so 191 questions, these are enough questions to get you going for the next few months. Like I said, what I recommend that you do is find a few different products in this space, in the tech space this would be, and you're going to create content. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to get going. So what you're going to do is you're going to create unboxings, first impressions, tutorials. You might do a few comparison videos. Then you can come down here and you can answer questions. Again, you're going to title your TikTok video or YouTube short, YouTube video, and say, Spectre 27-inch IPS, does this thing work lying down? And you're simply just going to lie the computer down on the ground, and you can answer the question. You can build a successful business and start earning commissions. Now, I want you to know the commissions that you're going to earn in the very beginning are going to be little. You're not going to make $3,000 a month with this process, but you're going to start earning affiliate commissions and you're going to start building on something. Most people want to jump from $0 to $3,000 per month, and they want to skip past the small wins. We want to get those small wins so that we can build upon those small wins and start getting to $3K per month. If you do this correctly, you come to YouTube and you answer these questions, you can be successful. What I'd actually do is I'd create a thumbnail with the product lying in bed and say, will this work? That would be very intriguing and very engaging. And this will also give you multiple opportunities for your videos to show up on Google, which is the holy grail. But if you guys do this, you can be successful in 2023. You put your head down, you create content with 1 or 2 products, you become that hub, you create a hub around this one product, and you can start earning commissions. You guys can do this, okay? You don't need a great computer. You don't need a great camera. You just need to get up and running. And once you start seeing success, you can upgrade over time. So now that you know my super simple process for 2023, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planner. That planner is going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can start earning more commissions and find the level of success that you've been looking for. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow a successful online business.